Hello students, today we read Standard 5 Moral Science, Lesson 8, 6 Blind Men. Here we are reading a story, and from this story we learn that one should never think that their opinion is the best. One must learn to accept and respect other people's ideas. See, people have different opinions about a subject. One's ideas may not be accepted by other. Most often we think that our opinion is right, and sometimes this leads to quarrels, and as a result sometimes we lost our friends. Now come to the lesson. Many times we have argument with other people because of difference of opinion. Opinion means what is thought about something. But we should not quarrel with others, because we must realize that everybody looks at things from a different angle. One's ideas may be different from others' ideas. And here is the story of 6 blind men. The 6 friends decided to go to a fair. Fair means mela. There they heard people shouting. They cannot see as they are blind, but they heard people shouting. Look, an elephant is coming. Let us take a ride on it. Ride means journey on animals or vehicles, etc. When the elephant came near, the friends also became anxious to know. Anxious means eager to know what an elephant looked like. They cannot see, but they have to experience it. One by one, they touched the elephant. They went near the elephant and touched. The first blind man moved his hands around its big stomach and said, "An elephant is like a wall." The second blind man was standing near the tusk of elephant. Tusk means long pointed projecting tooth of elephant. He touched it and said, "An elephant is smooth and pointed at the tip. It is like a spear." Spear means weapon with a long pole and sharp point. The second blind man said, "An elephant is like a spear." The third blind man moved his hands around the elephant's legs and said, "An elephant is like a pillar." And the other 2 blind men's opinions did not accept the third blind man. The third blind man did not accept the opinion of the first and second blind man. Then the fourth blind man touched the trunk of the elephant. He could feel it moving. He said that, no, an elephant is like a big snake." The fourth blind man touched the trunk of the elephant and said, "An elephant is like a big snake." Here we notice that the 4 blind men's opinion is different about an elephant. Now the 5th man's chance came. The 5th man was near the tail and said, "What are you all saying? I know an elephant is like a rope." The 5th blind man touched the tail of the elephant and said, "An elephant is like a rope." The 6th man touched the elephant's ear and said, "You all are wrong. An elephant is like a big fan." The 6th man touched the elephant's ear and said, "An elephant is like a fan." Here what we noticed is everybody's opinion is different about an elephant. The same way, people have also different opinions about a thing. But we should not insist our own opinion and views to follow others. See, each of them thought that he was right, In the same way, we think our opinion be right and we fight with others who have different opinion. Always we think that our opinion is right and we have and we fight with the others who have different opinions. But we should learn to appreciate other people's opinion. That means we should respect and accept others' opinion, which leads to improve our relations with them. See, sometimes at home also people will have the fighting about different opinions. At home we must not insist on having our own way. If we respect our parents and other members of the family, we will never make the mistake of thinking they are wrong all the time. Only you are right. Respect and tolerance will teach us to become good human beings.